bucket. Some Easter egg candy. Put it in the bucket if you can find any. Can you find any candy?
Very cool.
Yeah. Well, go get it. Put it in your bucket. Hurry up before somebody else gets it. Guess there's no more school again by yourself.
Dig.
Hurry up, go get it. Quick, quick, quick. Put it in your bucket before it's all gone.
Oh, look at there's some right there.
Oh, there's some. Tuck.
Tucker, come here.
They're for Ben's. You'll get it later, I'm sure. Over here, Ben, I see some. Come on, Tuck.
One more. In your bucket.
Down there. Is there more? On the light, yeah. One
Yeah.
more.
More.
How about over here? On the table. One
More. It's down there. It's gone. Put it in your bucket.
I see another one. Put it in the bucket. I see some more.
Over
Yeah.
there.
There's more. Yeah?
Yep, there's another one.
Yeah.
One more.
Yeah, you underneath the chair.
One more. Oh, I just heard one. Yeah, there's three.
Go get them. You were in a tunnel. Yeah, you were.
One more. Go ahead, get that one. Can you reach it? There it is. You had to dig.
And how about if you go up and play us some music?
Can you play us a song on the piano? No.
Maybe the Easter Bunny hid some inside where the music is. Go up
What about-
and look.
Over by the chair, I think I see some more behind you. Over by the chair,
That chair.
on the ground.
Shh. What?
Do you see it, Ben? Look it on the floor. On the floor by the chair. That's right.
It's back here.
And the bucket.
Mama.
Okay, go look. See if there's more over there.
Oh, that. Oh, Mama, that.
You found some more?
All right.
The back.
Good job. Noise? Oh, you need to make a noise? I think I heard a noise over on the couch. Look up on the couch, up on the top of the couch. Over there, up by the window. Go climb up on the couch and you'll find one.
What's that? It's stuck. She's stuck.
It was stuck.
So the bucket is stuck.
Oh. Go climb up on the couch. You'll find one more.
There's right
Or there's some right over there. Look it.
The one. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So white.
Yes.
White.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Are there more over there?
Right where you got those, look.
Oh, here's Mama. That. Oh.
Oh.
This is
Ah, good job.
banana.
Yeah, it's Ben's.
Come look over here, Ben.
Where you go?
Look it. Right on the handles. On those doors right there.
Those. That's the door.
Oh, and the doors.
Mama blue white.
Up on the couch. There's some. Go climb up on the couch and you'll see them.
Over by the window, Ben. Or you can open up and play some music.
What is that?
Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, and then another one just fell. It's right in front of you. On the sofa. Look it. No?
No.
Ooh.
Here's another one. Good job. Put it in the bucket. I think I see one right by that chair, Ben. On the ground, on the rug.
Rug.
Up on the rug over there. Look where Nana's pointing.
Look where the leg of the chair is. Yeah,
This leg
this
over near
corner.
us. This one. Right there. I can see it.
Oh,
There
right.
was some in the door, but there's some right here. Look at
Yeah.
Nana will show you. Yep, there's one more up on the couch. On the arm of the couch. Look at that. Yep. What about on the rocking chair? I think there's some on the rocking chair. Is there any else on the rocking chair? Is there another one? That's not one? Am I hallucinating? Oh, it came out of the wrapper. Don't want that one.
Touch that stuff. Ben,
Can you
open
put song.
The piano. Open up the piano. See where the music is.
Oh! One more. In the door, yeah.
Ooh, it played music while you got it.
Yeah.
Get up? Okay. It's a lot of work, this Easter egg hunting, isn't it? Yep. You got it. Go ahead, you can get down. You can do that. Yes, you can. There you go. Big boy.
One more. There it is.
You can do it.
Good.
Yay.
Yeah. Oh. One more. Yep. You gonna put it in the trash truck?
I'm just thinking of my favorite thing.
Look at, there's one more on the ground. Over here by the... Oh, Daddy found one.
On the
Sure.
chair.
That one is a reject. Yeah.
Over there in the corner then. That chair over in the corner. I noticed that when I put that one out. There's a little piece of the paper was gone.
Mm-hmm.
Be a reject. Uh-oh, did you get it?
God damn.
Easter morning. God sakes.
Oh. You got two.
Ooh. Big
Yeah.
ones, yeah. 1, 2.
Oh, you got
Three.
three. Oh.
Those your eggs? I don't know.
There it is.
Oh.
It was in there.
And check the piano again. I think Easter Bunny came back.
Check the piano.
Check
Yeah.
the piano
I
again.
think there might be some more eggs up there. Open up the music part. Ugh.
Always thinking.
He's like, you people are crazy.
You're doing good.
I like that he's not even impressed. He's like, yeah, I know you put those back up there.
How'd you get more? Who put them back up there?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ben, who put the eggs there for you?
It's got it back here.
Uh-huh.
It's back here.
Putting them back there.
Was it the Easter Bunny? Easter Bunny.
Does he eat?
He needs to eat.
That it's fresh. Eats fresh milk. He eats fresh milk.
He eats dry socks. The bunny? Yeah, I guess if the bunny was hungry.
Ah. He eat.
Yeah.
What do you like to eat?
Hagak?
Helicopters. He was asked for that for dinner the last couple
You don't
of
eat
nights.
on a helicopter? You used to.
You do the opposite
No,
of eating.
no.
What's the matter?
Oh.
I think he's gonna drop one.
I'm glad you asked for help. That was very nice.